rooster crows cock-a-doodle-doo. The sun wakes up and the sky turns blue. The cow says moo while chewing hay, swinging her tail at flies all day. The sheep go by in fields so green, fluffy and white, the cutest you've seen. The horse trots by with a happy neigh, pulling a cart filled with fresh cut hay. The pig rolls around in a muddy spot, snorting with joy, he loves it a lot. Little chicks chirp, cheep, cheep,